Hey, if you've ever dreamt of having a physique that turns heads, one that makes people stop and stare because it's just that impressive, then you're in the right place. Imagine walking into a room and people can't help but notice the confidence, the strength, and the definition that radiates from your body. But here's the catch: it takes more than just lifting weights or running a few miles a week. Achieving a top 1% physique requires a set of key principles that the most successful athletes and bodybuilders live by. So, let's get into it, and I'll show you the exact steps you need to take to transform your body from good to great. Let's dive into the 5 core principles you need to follow to build a top 1% physique. No one. Consistency is king. First and foremost, consistency is the cornerstone of every top 1% physique. The most common mistake people make is expecting quick results. They want that instant gratification, but when they don't see rapid progress, they get discouraged and give up. Here's the truth: those who build legendary physiques didn't do it by following quick fix trends or hopping from one program to the next. It's about being consistent with your workout routine and nutrition plan over the long haul. Consistency doesn't just mean showing up at the gym every day. It means sticking to a structured program that pushes you past your limits week after week. If you want to see real change, you must train with purpose, and that requires a long-term mindset. Think about it like planting a tree. If you water it every day and provide it with sunlight, it will eventually grow strong and tall. But if you neglect it for even a week, it will struggle to thrive. Your body is no different. Small, consistent efforts will yield the biggest results over time. Imagine seeing results you've always wanted, not just in weeks, but in months or even years. Wouldn't you rather build a strong foundation and be proud of the physique you earn? Let's move on to the next principle. No to progressive overload. Now, let's talk about progressive overload. If you want to build muscle, increase strength, or improve endurance, you have to challenge your body. Our muscles adapt to the stress we put them under. The more you lift, the stronger you get, right? But there's a catch. If you keep lifting the same weight every day, your body won't continue to grow. Progressive overload is the principle of gradually increasing the weight, reps, or intensity of your workouts. This doesn't just mean adding more weight to the bar every session, although that can help, but it also involves things like increasing the time under tension, improving form, or doing more sets over time. The idea is simple: keep challenging yourself to do a little more every week. For example, if you're lifting weights, aim to lift 2.5 to 5 more pounds each week. Or, if you're running, try to run just a few more seconds faster every time. These small improvements add up quickly, and before you know it, you're making massive strides towards that top 1% physique. Want to unlock the secret to continuous gains, no matter how long you've been working out? Progressive overload is your golden ticket. No 3. Focus on compound movements. If you've ever wondered why so many bodybuilders and fitness experts swear by compound movements, it's because these exercises engage multiple muscle groups at once, allowing you to build more muscle in less time. Compound movements are the key to developing that full, well-rounded physique you see in elite athletes. Squats, deadlifts, bench presses, pull-ups, and overhead presses are examples of compound movements that work the major muscle groups. These exercises recruit your chest, back, legs, and core, which leads to a higher calorie burn and greater muscle growth. Instead of spending endless hours on isolation exercises that target just one muscle, compound lifts will give you more bang for your buck. They'll help you build a strong base, increase your overall strength, and challenge your body in a way that single joint movements just can't. Not to mention their functional meaning: they improve your strength in real-life movements and activities. Maximize your time in the gym by focusing on these heavy hitters in every workout. Start with compound lifts and then supplement them with isolation movements to target any weak spots or muscles that need extra attention. No 4. Nutrition is everything. Next up is nutrition. You've probably heard the saying, you can't out-train a bad diet. And it's absolutely true. No matter how hard you work out, if your nutrition isn't on point, you're not going to see the results you want. To build a top 1% physique, you need to prioritize clean, nutrient-dense foods that fuel your workouts and muscle recovery. You also need to ensure you're eating enough to support your training while keeping your body in a state that promotes fat loss and muscle gain. Focus on eating lean proteins like chicken, turkey, fish, and plant-based options. Healthy fats from avocados, nuts, and olive oil, and complex carbs from whole grains, sweet potatoes, and vegetables. And let's not forget the importance of hydration. Water is vital for muscle recovery, fat loss, and overall performance. A top physique isn't built on supplements alone, although they can certainly help, but on real, whole foods that provide your body with the vitamins and minerals it needs. Track your calories and macronutrients to ensure you're eating enough to build muscle, but not too much to gain unnecessary fat. Remember, nutrition and training go hand in hand. A killer workout won't matter if you don't feed your muscles the right fuel to grow. No 5. Rest and recovery. Let's talk about rest and recovery, 2 principles that are often overlooked in the pursuit of a top 1% physique. Many people think that more is better when it comes to training, but overtraining can actually set you back and hinder your progress. Your muscles don't grow while you're lifting, they grow when you're resting. Sleep plays a huge role in muscle recovery and growth. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. During deep sleep, your body releases growth hormones that help repair and build muscle tissue. Without adequate rest, you risk overtraining, which can lead to injuries and burnout. Also, consider incorporating active recovery into your routine. This can include activities like yoga, light cardio, or stretching. These activities help promote blood flow to your muscles, reduce stiffness, and improve flexibility. Incorporating rest days into your program isn't just about being lazy. It's a vital part of ensuring that you come back stronger. So listen to your body, take rest days when you need them, and prioritize recovery just as much as your workouts. No 6. Mental toughness and mindset. Finally, let's talk about something that most people overlook when building a top 1% physique: mental toughness. Building a physique like this requires an unbreakable mindset. It's not just about lifting weights, it's about overcoming obstacles, pushing past your limits, and refusing to give up when things get tough. Every great athlete and bodybuilder has had moments of doubt, moments when they wanted to quit, but it's their mental toughness that sets them apart. They embrace the grind and stay focused on their goals, no matter how hard the journey gets. The road to a top physique is filled with challenges, but it's those who remain mentally strong who ultimately succeed. Develop a mindset that sees challenges as opportunities to grow, and never let setbacks stop you from moving forward. Every rep, every set, every meal, and every hour of sleep contributes to the bigger picture of building the best version of yourself. Are you mentally prepared to push yourself past your limits? This mindset could be the difference between failure and success on your journey to a top 1% physique. At last, building a top 1% physique is not easy, and it's not a short-term project. It requires discipline, dedication, and a mindset that is focused on long-term success. But with the right approach, anyone can achieve their dream body. Focus on these key principles: consistency, progressive overload, compound movements, nutrition, rest, and mental toughness, and you'll be well on your way to achieving a physique that puts you in the top 1%. Now I want to hear from you. Which principle are you most excited to apply to your own fitness journey? Drop a comment below and let's start a conversation. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing fitness tips. Keep training hard, stay consistent, and you'll get there. See you in the next video.